Okay. Here we will discuss about understanding toxic substance, mechanism, system, LD15 values, and antidotes in medical practice. Okay. Uh, we are from Group 4. The member of group, I am Citra Sari, Legolas Izahaza, and MR Hairul Akhilbuya. Okay, next. Okay, what are toxic substances? First, chemical nature. This is the synthetic or natural compounds that can cause harm to living organisms through their chemical. This is the toxicity depends on the exposure amount. Even water can be toxic at extremely high doses. And then third, target organs. The target organ are specific tissue or system affected such as liver, kidney, nervous system or reproductive organs. And then the last one, exposure routes. The exposure routes is primary. Okay, the next slide. We will the mechanism of toxicity. The first one, receptor binding. This is the disrupting normal cellular signaling. And then second, enzyme inhibition. The enzyme inhibition, there is blocking metabolic pathways. Okay, after that, the membrane disruption. This is the damaging cell membrane integrity. And then four, DNA damage. DNA damage can causing mutation or cell death. And then the last one, oxidative stress. The oxidative stress in generating harmful free radicals. Okay, the next slide we will explain by Ali.
Okay, this we will explain about recognizing poisoning symptoms. There is three. First is the neurological signs, confusion, seizures, coma, headaches, dizziness, tremors, muscle weakness, and there is a altered mental status, seizure activity, motor dysfunction. Two is cardiovascular signs, arrhythmias, hypertension, shock, cardiac arrest. There is a heart rate abnormalities, blood pressure change, and circulatory collapse. Gastrointestinal signs, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and GI bleeding. There is a nausea and vomiting, abdominal cramping, and GI tract irritation. Next. Okay. This is the understanding LD50 value. LD50 value or lethal dose 50% represent the dose of a substance that cause death in 50% of test animals, serving as a standard measure of acute toxicity. Okay, as you can see, there is a substance, botulinum toxins, with LD50 value is 1.0 E5. Toxicity class is extremely toxic. Target organ is nervous system. Common source is contaminated food. Potassium cyanide with LD55. Toxicity class is highly toxic. Target organ is cellular respiration. Common source is industrial chemical. Aspirin with LD50-200. Toxicity class moderately toxic. Target organ is liver and GI tract. Common source is medication. Table salt with LD50-3000. Toxicity class is slightly toxic. Target organ is kidney. Common source is food additive. Ethanol with LD50-7000. Toxicity class is practically non-toxic. Target organ is liver and brain. Common source is alcoholic beverage. Next. Okay. For this explanation, we'll explain about common toxic substance. There is three: carbon monoxide, colorless, odorless gas causing hypoxia by binding to hemoglobin with 240 times greater affinity than oxygen. Clinical significance is headache, dizziness, cherry red skin, potential fatal outcome without prompt oxygen therapy. Organophosphate, pesticide inhibiting acetylcholinesterase, leading to cholinergic crisis. Clinical significance is Slough syndrome. salivation, lacrimation, urination, defecation, GI upset, and emesis. Muscle fasciculation, respiratory failure requiring to atropine and pralidosis. UV metal, lead and mercury accumulate in tissues causing chronic toxicity. Clinical significance is lead anemia, learning deficit, Burton's lines, mercury erythema, acrodynia, Minamata disease, required to salutation therapy with agents like EDTA or dimethylcrapper.
Okay, now we will discuss about the antidote effectiveness analysis. These are the graphic antidote success rate. Success rate is in the percent. You can see the percent rate is 0 until 100. The 0 until 100, there are 5 drugs such as naloxone, atropine, and acetylcysteine, dimercaprol, flumazenil. So the specific antidotes targeted therapy that directly counterattack toxic effect of specific substance. This can being supportive care, general measure to maintain vital function while antidote take effect. And now we talk about the specific antidote. Specific antidote can contain 4 drugs such as naloxone, atropine, and acetylcysteine, and dimercaprol. Naloxone reverses to opioid overdose by competitively binding to opioid receptor, displacing opioid and reversing respiratory depression. Atropine treat organophosphate poisoning by competitively blocking muscarinic acetylcholine receptor, counteracting cholinergic excess. And the third one is an acetylcysteine. This prevent acetaminophen hepatotoxicity by replenishing glutathione store and acting as a glutathione substitute for toxic metabolite detoxification. The last drug is dimercaprol. Chelates heavy metal by forming stable complexes with arsenic, mercury, and lead. This facilitating the renal excretion. Now we talk about the antidote mechanism of action. How antidote work? Antidote counterattack toxin through competitive inhibition, receptor blockade, or direct binding. They restore normal physiological function by reversing toxic effect at cellular and molecular levels. Time is critical. Early administration significantly improve outcome in poisoning cases. So that's all from our group. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.